Hi and welcome to Mika Does Stuff. In this video we're going to look at this cordless mini hand light from Parkside. Welcome! So, this is the PAM 450A1. It's a versatile LED light with 5 light modes, 200 lumens, 6500 Kelvin, and 1.5 hours illumination time at 100 brightness. That's pretty much for this small tiny light. And you get a USB cable, 3 years warranty. And let's check the box, what we can find. Okay, it's a stand bracket with magnet. It has a magnet on the bottom with a clip on the back for securing. You can secure it on your shirt pockets or maybe your jeans pockets and so on. And some more information. It's a versatile LED light with 5 light modes. Can be selected by repeatedly pressing the on-off button. First one is white light 100% brightness, second is 50%, and third is 10%. And the fourth press is a red light, and the fifth is flashing red light. It has integrated 450 milliamp hour battery, housing with integrated USB port and charge status indicator. Clip, we know. Stand bracket magnet, we know. Instructions included. Wow, that's cool. What we got more? This product is intended for normal use. Then we know that. Use only in dry conditions, in storage rooms or hallways. Okay. You can only use it in storage rooms and hallways. Check. Warning: the flashing light is not suitable as warning light in traffic. Okay. I'm not going to use it in the traffic. I promise. Parkside. Okay, so let's open it with my trusty old knife. What do you think? Should I try to make this a little more nicer? It looks like shit, but I think I want to try, but I don't know how. So if somebody has some suggestions to how to renovate this, please tell me in the comments. Okay, let's open it. So first off, a lot of papers. And here we have the cable. It's not, yes, it's USB-C to USB-A. Let's see what this says. PAM 450A1 cordless mini hand light. This is the first time I get one of these labels. Okay, cool. And this is the light. Here we have the clip. You can also put it like on a screw or whatever you want. Plastic everywhere. Some design stuff here. There's the USB-C port, 5 volt to 0.5 ampere. And this is the magnet. Let's see if we have something we can try it on. No. Pretty good. Here we have some more information. Okay, let's try it. This is the on-off button. Oh, that's bright. It's a red light. This should be a flashing red light. Let's charge it and try it out somewhere. Let's try to charge this thing. I'm going to use this Anker. What's it called? It's called the Anker Prime Charger. It's 200 watts, so maybe it's too powerful for this, but let's try and see what happens. I don't know if you can see it. It's lights a red light, and it should be that way until it's green. I tried to find some type of information on how long it takes to charge this, but I can't find it. I even checked the instructions. There's just some technical data and Model B, I guess that's another type of light. You have all types of stuff here. The only information that I need or want to know was this fully charge the battery before storage. If you want to store the product for longer than 3 months, fully charged battery every 3 months. That's the only good thing to know. So let's see, I'll let this charge for a while and see if it turns green. And it's done. I noticed, by the way, that there's a little light here. It took about an hour to charge this. I don't know how much juice there was in the battery from the beginning, so it's impossible to know how long the charging time is, but I guess you have to empty it and then charge it, of course. But let's say an hour for now. Okay, let's test this somehow. First mode? That's actually not bad. Second, third, fourth. Wow, that's right. And fifth. So the big question, is the PARKSIDE PHAM 450A1 actually any good? Let's start with the positives. At first, I thought 200 lux would be too weak for a light like this, but once I actually used it, it turned out to be more than enough. The light is surprisingly bright, and the beam spread is very good for such a cheap lamp. One thing I noticed right away is that the size is pretty much perfect. You can keep it in your pocket, in the car, or in a toolbox without taking any space at all. The magnet is also very useful. You can easily attach it to anything made out of steel, and it sticks really well. It feels solid and secure. Another nice detail is the clip on the back. It's great if you don't want to hold the light while working. Just clip it onto your t-shirt collar or pocket and you get constant light exactly where you need it. Battery life is also worth mentioning. I was actually surprised that Parkside claims up to an hour and a half of battery life. Given the size of the battery, I expected something closer to like 20 minutes. I haven't tested that claim, but during my use, battery life never felt like an issue. Now there are a couple of downsides worth mentioning. Not that many, but they're still worth pointing out. The housing is plastic, so don't expect it to take a beating. But for normal use, it's just fine. The battery indicator could also be better. I'd prefer something a bit clearer so you have a better idea how much charge is left. And now to the final verdict. Parkside products are cheap, but they usually do the job. And at this price, this little light is no exception. I'd buy it again if it broke. So yeah, that was all for this video. Feel free to leave a like if this was helpful. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next project.